Okay. A little bit of an update. I've been doing boring stuff. This is the living room. There's no more furniture. I have windows coming. They'll be here in a couple days. So I was putzing around, moving some molding and trim. And what I've been doing is actually painting doors and starting to paint trim and baseboard. And as you can see, painted trim there, painted closet, painted baseboard, closet is painted, and yada 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 yada. Both bedroom doors are also removed. Same thing over there, painted closet. But I'm avoiding painting my baseboard so much so that I went and bought a shitter, which is something I was avoiding for a long time too. Because of my sense of humor, I thought it was funny to have the house with the toilet for a really long time, but my, I guess, disdain at this point for painting the baseboard forced me to go buy a toilet. So I'm going to install said toilet in the bathroom that is across the hallway. Alright, so we're looking at my bathroom floor here. If you could tell, I have done a lot of dusty things in the house because I cleaned this section and that section is not clean, and you can see the difference. Anyways, that's not the point. I have studied the instructions, which is something that I normally wouldn't do, but hey. Figured I might as well at least take a look. First step is the closet bolts. So we're turned around looking at the hallway. As you can see, there's my hallway floor, also very dusty. There's the living room, bedrooms, also extremely dusty, yada yada yada. Get the idea. Anyways, next step is the wax ring. The next part gets interesting because the toilet literally barely fits. So the next part is interesting, but the toilet does fit. I already tested. Oh shit, just barely. Just barely. Oops. Toilets are also apparently really heavy. So the step that I just accomplished was installing the bolts for the toilet. There is absolutely no way that I had enough room to actually show you putting the bolts on there, but it's fairly simple. If you've watched me build my damn Jeep or the golf cart, you will have seen me install bolts, but there are bolts there now that hold the toilet in place. Next step is the tank. Go on top of there. So there's not a chance in living hell I'll ever show you on camera what I'm about to do, but it's just the bolts that hold the back of the tank on. So that's another closet type bolt that has a rubber washer that goes on there. Goes through the tank, through the bottom of the toilet bowl itself. Then there's a washer that goes under the bowl tank area, and then there's a nut that you screw on. So as you can see, I have installed the bolts. I have also hooked up my water line from the water inlet out of the wall up into the toilet bowl. Fairly simple. The toilet does not come with the water line. You do have to supply it yourself. So I was able to get away with the shortest one that Home Depot sells, because it has to go from there to there, you know. So it's a 9-inch line is the shortest one that Home Depot sells, and it works just fine. And as you can see, the toilet does work. I've been adjusting the water level in there. I have it about exactly where I want it now. So the last thing I'm going to be doing is put that seat on there. There you have it, folks. That's how you install a toilet in a tiny bathroom. So I guess the actual last step is to christen it. Alright, next thing on my to-do list today is catching up on some other odds and ends for the bathroom, and I went to the Home Depot and I bought a three-piece Delta bathroom kit thing. Comes with a towel rack, the shit paper rack, and the hand towel rack, whatever you want to call it. Fairly simple. Hand towel rack is up there, shit paper rack is over there, and the big towel rack is out here behind the door. Nothing spectacular, but still needed to happen. Something else I failed to update you on before, but that cabinet is hung there, the microwave is there, and the range hood is all there and is wired up even. Not much to write home about in terms of, you know, how interesting it is, but the range hood is hardwired from the same electrical box for the plug that's for the microwave back there. I checked, it's all good up there. I had Brad here helping me to line up the range hood and whatnot, and then I had somebody else here who helped me hang the cabinet. Does work as advertised. Got a light, there's a low setting. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's on low. And there's also a high setting. Microwave does in fact work. La-ti-da. So yeah, that's there too. Of course the stove goes down there. Alright, so if you liked this video, make sure you subscribe. Give the video a like, obviously. Leave us a comment, or leave me a comment, I guess. Be sure to check out the rest of our channel. There are a lot of interesting things that are on this channel, not including this house. I have a couple Jeep projects. There's a golf cart project, which is usually popular video, and then there are a few other members of the Weekend Handyman channel who post videos fairly regularly. So, with that, I'll leave you peace.